Hi there! Today we are focusing on the Suggestions module. Suggestions are the drop-down of your search bar when a visitor searches on your website, helping customers find products faster. Setting up suggestions is easy. Let's see how the suggestion template is configured. Navigate to Search, then to Suggestions. On this page, all the configured suggestions will be shown. In case of multiple shops or languages, there will be a suggestion configured for each one individually. To set up a new suggestion template, click on New Configuration. Next, select a category. You must select the category that will be used as the scope for the search. This is often the root category for general site-wide search. After selecting a category, you can configure the suggestion template. You can see two main sections here: Suggestions Groups and Item Suggestions. For now, we will look at an already set up suggestion template so you have an idea of how this could be configured. Let's look at Suggestions Groups first. These are the text-based results. You can add 3 types of groups: search phrase, category, and facet suggestions. Search phrases are suggestions based on other visitors' searches. The display name can be changed. Normally we use the term suggestions or suggested search term for this field. The maximum amount of suggestions can be adjusted and results can be grouped. Use the 3 dots to hide or delete the suggestion. Click Choose a Suggestions Group and Add New Suggestions Group to add new suggestions. You can add multiple facet suggestions, but for search phrase and category suggestions there is a limit of 1. Category suggestions can be set up. Make sure your customers can see categories when they are searching on your shop. Fill in the name for the category suggestions and the amount that you want to show. The Excluded Category option gives the opportunity to hide categories from the suggestions. Select the category that should not be suggested, click on Exclude, and it will not be shown. The prioritized categories can be chosen in this drop-down. These categories will have a higher priority over regular results. Select the category or categories and add them. Once selected, the arrows decide which category gets the highest priority. The next option is the facet suggestion. In this field, any attribute can be used. In our case, we use the attribute color, but you could also use the attribute for brand. Give the suggestion a suitable name and change the amount of suggestions you want to see. Now, let's take a look at item suggestions. This section controls the visual results. You can add 3 types of groups: products, blogs, and visuals. Product suggestions are your default group, which cannot be deleted. It acts as a safety net. Any new items from your feed that aren't specifically assigned will automatically appear here. While you cannot remove this group, you can make it invisible if you prefer not to show products in your suggestions. Blog suggestions are used to make non-product content searchable, such as blogs, user manuals, and FAQs. Please note that there is a limit of 1 blog group per configuration. Visual suggestions allow you to add inspirational visual suggestions to the search bar. For example, a search for summer could trigger a visual banner for your latest seasonal campaign. Similar to documentation, there is a limit of 1 visual group per template. If you want to change your visual, you can delete the existing group and create a new one. To summarize, the Suggestions module is key to search success. Configure the suggestion template using suggestion groups and item suggestions and select a category as search scope. Don't forget to publish to go live. Check out our next video where we explain established and manual suggestions.